Okay, welcome back. It is day 135, I believe. I'm coding every day. Today I don't have my pre-recorded coding that I'm talking over. Um, just a pretty lazy day, by me. Um, Big week of computer architecture. I know that's ahead of me, so tomorrow I'll definitely record something. But probably just not probably. I'm gonna just do a leetcode easy today. So I can go to bed because I have computer architecture in the morning. I also have to do my questions for that class that's due at 9 a.m. So, um, anyways, I think there was much I wanted to excuse me to talk about. Um, Other than computer architecture still do Friday. I have to work on that all week, and then after that will just be a lot of linear algebra and computer system principles. Um, so I guess there is going to be like a project in computer system principles that I can work on here, but other than that, I might have to actually now it wouldn't be unreasonable to start working on something a little more, well, a personal project. Um, so yeah, so let's do this leak code so I can be done with this. Um, yeah, okay. Let's see. Unique Morse code words, maybe. Number of lines to write string. Let's look at these. I also been watching a lot of those I like down here of like people like doing homesteads and like building like a house in the middle of like land they built. Stuff looks sick. Uh, uh, uh. It's also amazing how non-miserable they make it like seem. I couldn't imagine like going a year without having like a actual place to like sleep. It also makes me wonder if people like fake it and just like drive back to like their actual house and then like on the weekends work on it and just like record that stuff. But they're like, oh, I'm living out here. Anyways, that's my uh I don't know, critique. Okay. I don't really want to do this. You're given what? Given a string paragraph and a string array of the band of the words of the banned words banned. Return the most frequent word that is not banned. It is guaranteed there is at least one word that is not banned and that okay. So hit ball ball in case insensitive. This should be pretty easy. You just do a frequency. Oh, how do you do that? I know there's a it's a counter, right? But it'd be for actual words. So I mean what you could do, I mean I guess what you could do one way would be a dictionary, right? And have each word, if it's not already in, divide. So, I mean, first thing is I need to say words is equal to dot join, or what is it? Paragraph? I don't actually know if this is how you do this. Wait. That's joining everything in. Wait. This joins everything. This is not what I want. I want words is equal to half. I don't remember what it is. Just dot split. Okay. No way it's actually just this. And I messed up paragraph again. Okay. Wow, it is that. Cool. Okay, so we want to go through and we just want to it's a counter, right? Python. Nope. Capital counter. Um what is it? I mean, is it just this? Hit to Bob 1. Um said ball. Oh, case insensitive. Um dot split. Um you'd have to say you would have to say for. Oh my God. Python 2 lower. It's just lower. Okay. So it would have to be. Do you think I can do this? I doubt I can do this. Okay. Um I know it's just gonna be one keyword. Dot lower dot split. No way that was just it. Oh yeah, because the dot lowers the entire string and then you that makes sense. Why is this a frequency of still 2 though? Oh, because there's stuff in it. Oh. Huh. Wow, that is like dot translate text dot translate string make. Wow, this question sucks. It's just regex filtering. This is the only. This is the. I hate these questions. Whatever. Um. So what? For word in words. Um. For each character in text. Oh, that's actually kind of smart. I'll show that now. Bam. Okay, so then I can just go through frequency and I can say if for key val in frequency dot items, if key is not in band, then return key. Output was Bob. Why wouldn't you be? What? Why wouldn't it print hit first? Wait, what? Why is it printing out Bob first? Why would the first thing it print be Bob? Okay, okay. What? So you want This is just a ChatGPT question. Sorted word. Counts dot most common. Counts dot most common. Really? Was this just a most common, all one word? Oh no. No shot, right? What is this even? Yeah, no, it just. What does this return? What? That it? Band is A. Okay. Yeah, cheers. That was a horrible. That was horrible. Okay. Well, that is all I'm doing for tonight. I hate Regex Pro. I That was one of the things when actually I originally started this series. Like if you go back to literally the first like 5 episodes, I think I made a note of like one of the things I wanted to do was learn. Ooh, was I wanted to learn Regex. Never did it. Um, but that's I I the whole thing that they used was like in punctuation. I don't even know if I would call it true regex. So um you're just making a list of each type of punctuation character and then like seeing if the current character in your string is a part of that. I meant more like pattern matching. I haven't learned, but yeah, anyways. Yeah, so I have my class at 9 a.m. tomorrow for computer architecture. Probably just gonna go to the cafe after that and work on computer architecture, and then um, come back, record, and do more computer architecture. I guess I need to see what my next 230 project is, and then yeah, should probably also plan out these last 3 4 weeks of the semester, and then yeah. Oh, and also come up with a personal project because after this Friday probably not going to be a lot of work outside of probably not going to be a lot of coding work that I can record. So we need to either continue with Code Visualizer or um, start something new. So yeah, we'll see. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.